This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Sharon Wheeler. Incredible! This custom home is built to withstand hurricane force winds. A fortress. Concrete block, sheathed in brick. Sits on a 24 inches concrete slab. Oversized garage for your 30 motorhome or 3 cars. Beautiful custom tilework and woodwork throughout. Rock fireplace. Vaulted ceiling. Handmade birch cabinets. So many intricate details. Accessible for disabled. Super spacious rooms. Space for a 3rd bedroom. A nature lover's paradise. 2 spring-fed ponds. Wildlife abounds. Beautiful mountain views. Separate 2-bath/1 bath guest cabin, recently remodeled, new roof. Over 24 acres. One of the safest and most unique properties in the county. Must see to appreciate. Secluded and very private, yet close in. 3/4 of a mile from our river public boat ramp. Less than 10 miles from U of O personal property negotiable. For more information.